Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brutal Doom online. First, gather your essential components. You'll need the original Doom WAD files, such as doom2.wad, which are crucial for the game to run. Next, download and install the GZ Doom source port, as it provides the necessary engine for the mod. Finally, acquire the Brutal Doom mod files themselves, typically a PK3 file from a reliable website. Once you have all the files, setting up is straightforward. Place your Brutal Doom PK3 file and any other desired mods directly into your GZ Doom folder. To launch, you can drag and drop the mod file onto the GZ Doom executable. For more complex setups, create a simple batch file. This allows you to specify multiple mods and launch options, ensuring everything loads correctly for your online session. For online play, Xandronum is the preferred source port, offering robust multiplayer features. Launch Xandronum and navigate to the server browser to find active games. You can filter by game type, player count, and ping. If you wish to host, ensure your router has port forwarding enabled for the default Xandronum port, which is 23502. Share your external IP address with friends so they can connect directly. To enhance your online Brutal Doom experience, communication is key. Use the in-game chat to coordinate with your team or taunt opponents. If you encounter lag, try adjusting network interpolation settings within Xandronum. Should you experience crashes, verify that all your mods are compatible with each other and with your current Xandronum version. Regularly updating your source port and mods can prevent many common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.